MacBook shortcuts in under 90 seconds. If you want to copy a file, use Command C and then paste it with Command V. But if you want to move a file, copy it with Command C and then paste it with Command Option V. The same doesn't apply for text. If you want to cut a piece of text, you have to press Command plus X and then paste it with Command plus V. Use Command Option Delete to delete a file permanently, skipping the trash. For a quick screenshot, use Command Shift 4 and select the region you want to capture. If you want to capture a whole window, use Command Shift 4 and then press space plus click on a window. And if you want to get rid of the shadows, use Command Shift 4 plus space plus option and click on a window. If you need more advanced options, press Command Shift and 5 to access all the screenshot options, including screen recording. To take a quick look inside the file, select it and press space. If you want to open the preview full screen, press Option plus space. If your apps are frozen, try Command Option plus Escape to force quit them. You can also relaunch your Finder. Hold Command and then scroll through your apps using Tab. When an app is selected, press Q to quit it or H to hide it. If you press Command plus H, the app hides. Command plus M minimizes the window and Command plus Q quits the app. Inside Finder, press Command Shift N to create a new folder. If you want to rename your folder, select it and press Enter. Quickly access settings of any open app by pressing Command plus comma. And when you are done using your MacBook, press Command Ctrl Q to quickly lock your screen.